Hello everyone, this is Jenny. So today's session for grade 9th computer networks and the internet. Okay, so what is the use of network means? Worldwide we are going to communicate, okay, through the system or computer. So how it works? Okay, so imagine the earth. Okay, so we are living in the earth, how the earth is fully connected throughout the countries, other countries. Okay, the same concept we are going to see in this network concept. Okay, so in this network you can work on wireless as well as wired connection. Okay, so maximum worldwide we are using wireless connection. Okay, so here why we are using this networks means, first of all, resource sharing. Resource means you are maintaining some files in your system. Okay, so you want to share the file to other system, that means other persons. So how you will share? Through the computer. Okay, so if the computer you have the device, okay, so how it should be work with the connection. So where you are going to get the connection, that is called network. Okay, so network means data you are going to transfer the data from one system to another system. So who is providing the service? Internet. Okay, so the network types are LAN, WAN, MAN. Okay, and WW. You can see that word when you are using the browser, that is worldwide communication. Okay, and then next advantage or benefits or merits means data sharing. Okay, so for that reason we are using this network. Another one is remote access. Remote access means here nearby places you can access your informations. For that purpose also we are using the internet, that is called network. And e-commerce, when we are doing business. Okay, so for e-commerce means we are going to purchase something through the online. Okay, so whether it may be grocery items or something your business needs, everything you can purchase. Fashions, clothes, shopping, everything you can do through the websites or applications, that is called network. Okay, so with the help of internet the network is working. So for that purpose also we are using this network, internet. Another one is government services. All the government officials, offices, they are using this type of network. Okay, so with the help of internet. Okay, so you can get the applications or you can fill the applications, you can get the certificates, everything. Mode, which mode? Internet mode. Okay, that is called network. Another one is types of networks. Here you can see LAN, MAN, WAN. Three types or major categories: local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area. Local area means within a campus, within a college, school, universities, they can use this house. We can use this LAN network. And MAN means district to district, that means state to state level you can connect. For example, we can communicate from where? From Kerala to Bangalore. Like this we can communicate. Another one is WAN, wide area network. Is for example India to Europe, then German to London. Like this we are country wise we can communicate through this wide area network. Okay, so all the people they are using this type of networks. It's a very expensive network. Which one is means wide area network, because we have to communicate through the world, so that is very expensive. And of course another expensive thing is MAN, metropolitan area network. Local area network is a little bit cheaper compared with that MAN and WAN. Okay, we can use this Wi-Fi connection in our home, that is local area network. And of course for communication purpose also we are using this internet. Okay, for example friends chatting or relatives chatting, function calling, everything we are doing this process. Of course business process also, communication, we are doing this type of internet. Okay, so that is called a one type of network. Another one is cost efficiency. For banking sectors we are using this type of networks. And internet, so without internet we can't do this process. Okay, so with the help of internet the network is successfully running throughout the world. Okay, another one is entertainment. For if you are hearing songs, watching movies in your mobile applications or televisions, everything we can use by this type of network. Another one is advantages you can see here: fast communication and cost efficiency. Then easily you can access the information, and your data you can collaborate and then send within a seconds. Okay, so this is your advantages. Of course, AI applications also we can create through this network. Okay, so these are the benefits and advantages and process of this. So here you can see this process. Okay, so how the brain is functioning you can see. So we can study this concept in science, but the science is compared to your computer science also. Okay, so how the brain is working with the various cells. Okay, so this is your main center, main hub. So network is also main hub. So in this network we are going to send all the data, collecting the data, storing the data through the network. So the brain is called network. Okay, so this is your computer science. So here we can see this computer networks definition. So it is a system which is multiple system devices is going to interconnected. Okay, so for what is the use? Resource sharing, which means data and services. Okay, so in two ways we can send this information. One is wired and another one is wireless. And another types of networks you can see, already I told LAN, MAN, WAN. Okay, so everything is a definition mode here I am giving. And uses of computer networks, yes, of course, already I said resource sharing, communication, data sharing. Okay, cost efficiency, remote access, you can access from your home also. And then what is internet? Internet is a global network. Okay, so globally network we are going to connect. So which protocol here we are using? TCP IP, that means transfer control protocol and internet protocol. So what is the uses of internet? Here you can use for education. Education means online studies you can do, research oriented, for digital libraries and virtual classrooms, everything you can use this internet. And communication, through this email you can do, and social media, of course video calls. Okay, so we can do this process through this internet. And e-commerce, doing business, various type of business. Okay, example Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, and then other shoppings and online payments, being banking, everything we can do this internet process. And entertainment, for hearing music, watching movies, online gaming and music streaming, everything we can do this internet network. Another one is business and e-commerce, for digital marketing, online meetings, cloud computing services, everything we are doing this process. And government services, yes, for bill payments, government portals and digital identity services, everything we are using this type of internet services. And main advantages why we are using this internet network means fast communication, global connectivity, easy information access, improved collaboration and time saving. Okay, so for this purpose we are using this internet network. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye from Jenny.